Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll break down stocks versus bonds and explain how they work, the risks, and the potential returns. Which one should you choose? If you have $1,000 to invest, would you buy stocks or bonds? Here's a simple difference you need to know. When you buy a stock, you are buying a small piece of a company. For example, if you buy Apple stock, you become a partial owner of Apple. If the company grows and the stock price goes up, you can make money. But there is a downside. The stock price can also fall and you can lose money. So think stocks mean ownership in a company with higher growth potential but also more risk. Now, what happens when you buy a bond? You are basically lending money to a company or a government. In return, they typically pay you interest and return your original money when the bond matures. So think, bonds mean lending money to a company or a government in exchange for interest payments, and they generally have a lower risk than stocks. But remember, bonds are not risk-free. You can still lose money, especially if the issuer has financial problems, or if you sell before maturity when the bond's market value is lower. For example, imagine you have $1,000. If you buy stocks, you are saying, I want to own part of a company. If you buy bonds, you are saying, I want to lend my money and earn interest. Here's the easiest way to remember. Stocks mean you own a piece of a company, while bonds mean you lend money to a company or government. Stocks can offer more growth potential, but they usually come with more price volatility. Bonds can provide more predictable income, but generally have lower growth potential. And you don't always have to choose just one. Many investors use both stocks and bonds to diversify their investments. So, which one is better? There is no single answer. It depends on your goals, time horizon, and how much risk you are comfortable taking. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more simple investing tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.